Do you know this? This?
Oh, yeah, of course. Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy. Oh. Okay, just I am talking to you from Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh. Next to India. Beside India.
Ba-
Do you know our country, Bangladesh? Do you know?
Bangladesh, yes, I know.
Oh, have you heard the name of our country, Bangladesh? Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Ah,
Thank you. Italy, basically, Italy, are you from Rome? Capital city. Rome. Capital city?
no, Milan. Ciao,
Oh,
Salvo.
Milan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Milan, Milan. Milan city.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Your country, Italy. Okay, please look, 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 look.
Ah, yes.
Oh, just this is glove. Excellent. I use this glove for
Ciao,
teaching
DJ Sar.
teaching my students. Teaching my students, I follow. I use this glove. Basically, I am a teacher, English teacher.
You English teacher?
Yeah, of course. Why not? May I ask some questions?
What question?
Yeah, of course. Could you please introduce yourself within short sentence about yourself?
Speak slowly, I don't understand.
Yeah. Slow, slow, slow. Could you please introduce yourself within short sentence? About yourself, yourself. Means myself, yourself. Yourself. Yeah. Please try to speak.
Myself.
Yeah. Try to speak.
I don't understand.
Oh, just can you speak English? Fluent or little bit? English speaking style? Little.
Yes, I speak English, but you speak so quick, so I don't understand.
Okay, just I talk. Slowly means medium, medium. I am talking medium English. Okay. Just a simple questions I am asking. What is your favorite hobby? Your favorite hobby?
Music.
Music.
I listen to the music. I love to listen to the music.
Oh, just I like to talk with someone. Basically, I am a speaker and I like to read.
TikTok.
Yeah, I like to read and practice English every single day. When I get a free time, I read different kinds of books. Spoken English. I practice every single day with someone. Most of the time, I talk to foreigners. Foreigners, most of the time, I practice English.
Ciao, Mela Sushi. Really, but I don't understand.
Oh, just I can help you.
Speak Italy. Parliamo italiano, dai.
Oh, Italiano? No, no, no. Please wait, wait, wait. I can help you. I can help you to learn English. Wait, please wait, wait. Italy. Your country, Italy.
My country.
Italy. We can divide your country into three parts. Italy. Okay? Three parts. Just
Yes, but I speak English. Yes, I speak English, but I don't remember because I don't speak too much. So now, and you speak with me so quick, so I don't remember all. But I speak English. Yes, stick there. Cosa vuoi?
okay, just I speak slow motion. Slowly I speak. Basically,
Sushi, tu capisci?
basically, do you have any idea about syllable? Do you have any idea about syllable? Syllable. Basic English grammar. Basic English grammar. Syllable. Do you have any idea?
Syllable. Yes.
Syllable. Oh, just actually. Oh, wow. You have
No,
owned.
don't cry for me.
You
No,
have
don't
owned.
cry for me. Why?
Actually,
You cry for me?
no.
Grazie, sushi.
Okay, just a syllable. Please wait, wait, wait. Syllable. The word syllable. 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 Just syllable. Just we can divide the word into three parts. To speak, to expert in English, you have to practice. You have to get more experience from syllable. You have to learn right pronunciation, appropriate pronunciation. You have to learn. Basically, if you want to progress in English, you have to
Non farmi ridere.
expert in syllable, basic English grammar. At first, everybody should practice.
Wait.
Okay.
Mela Sushi, stai capendo tutto? Mela Sushi, prendi nota,
No, I can.
Prendi nota. Because I have a lot of fun that don't,
Okay, please
don't
follow.
understand. If you...
Follow me. Follow me.
Yes, follow.
Follow. I have already followed you.
Mela, follow.
Followed you already.
Mela, follow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just
Yes.
I cannot speak Italian language. I do know.
Follow Mela. Mela don't understand.
Oh, no. What is Fatumela? Follow Mela? What do you mean?
Mela Sushi.
Oh.
Mela Sushi.
Okay.
Do you like sushi?
Yeah, of course. I like sushi. Of course.
I don't like.
But why?
Don't like sushi.
But why? Can I know?
I like pizza. I'm Italian.
Oh.
Pizza. Sushi no.
Pizza.
Sushi no.
Italian. Okay, Italian language. Okay, thank you.
So I learn you Italy. Italy.
But I can suggest you.
Italy.
I can suggest you from this day you should practice English every single day because most of the time you face with English knowing person. English is an international language. To expert in English, you have to practice. You have to learn. You have to pronounce.
Italian. All the people must speak Italian. If you come in Italy, we don't understand English. You must speak Italy. Giusto?
No, I don't
I
know.
learn you Italy.
Okay, please wait.
So io.
Yeah.
Io insegno, I learn you Italian language. Io ti insegno l'italiano, okay?
Okay, but I have understood. But I can suggest you. English is an international language. It is international language and it is spoken all over the world. That is why you have to practice English with Italian language. Okay? I can help you.
Okay.
I can help you if you are interested to learn English. I come in this platform every single day. In this platform I come to practice English with someone.
Okay.
What is your future plan of life?
Me la stai prendendo appunti?
What is your future plan of life?
What?
What is your future plan of life? What do you want to do in future? Goal. Destination. Goal.
I want a lot of money. If I learn English, I will be a lot of money.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Questo mi dai soldi.
Okay. I suggest you.
With English,
Yeah.
lot of money.
Yeah.
If I speak English, money,
Yeah, of course. Just
good.
I'm a private teacher. I teach my students and I have taken a lot of money. I have taken for teaching. I have lot of money I get from them. Okay?
A lot of money.
Yeah.
See?
Of course. Just
Of course. Yes.
what is your education qualification? Are you a student, university or college student? University or college?
I am I am money mistress. Do you know? Wait. Do you know this? This?
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, of course.
Excellent this.
I fall in.
Of course, yes.
I fall in love. Yeah.
Adesso ribalto tutto qua.